Today, I would like to share an analysis regarding Meta Platforms Incorporated, formerly named Facebook. The Meta Platform company has, during the year 2022, gotten lower earnings, revenues, and margins. In addition, to make it even worse, Meta company had also a couple of weeks ago increased its costs by employing additional employees by 18%, which worsened and reduced the Meta company's profits and gross margins further, which lowered the stock value even more on the stock exchange. Fortunately for the Meta company, they have recently reduced the workforce by 12%. So now the company has only net increased the workforce by plus 6%. This seems to have benefited the share price positively in the recent days since November 4th this year, with a few days of gains in the stock market. And at the screen, I'm showing you the weekly chart. And this is on the left-hand side. It's from January. Sorry, it's from year 2012. And so you're looking at 10 years at this span. So we had a great, strong uptrend for the Facebook. And then we could see a reversal in the September 2021 when Facebook became Meta platform, and it really plumbed the price here on the stock market to these levels here, the same levels at year 2015. So this is 7 years low. Meta Platforms is a social media company that is a part of the five Silicon Valley tech giants known as the acronym FAANG: Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google. About 2 weeks ago, the environment for the company appeared to be unfavorable following the published disappointing results of competitor company Snap. Is Metaverse the future or just a fantasy? Meta Platform has not enjoyed a good run since the beginning of this year. The Metaverse project may have been negatively received by investors, as it could be seen from the company's share price drop of more than 60% since the beginning of the year to the previous bottom, November 3rd, 2022. The company's CEO, Mark Zuckerberg, seems to have decided to put everything on the line, which has brought, due to the project's attention, more than 13 billion in costs so far. Moreover, we could hear many rumors from the media about the international situation of the company or the perspective of employees. However, let's try to verify all assumptions based on hard data regarding the company's core business, Meta Platform's performance, and financial position. The last quarter was the first period in which Facebook lost about 1.4 million active users. The company reported that the situation has improved. However, it could be assumed that investors especially decided to watch the development of the company's new project. Analysts predicted earnings per share, EPS, of 1.89 from previously 2.46. According to one of Altimeter Capital's major shareholders, CEO Brand Gerstner, in an open letter to the company said, Meta needs to rebuild trust with investors, employees, and the tech community to attract, inspire, and return the best people in the world. Meta shares have declined about 60% over the past 18 months, compared to an average of 19% for its big tech counterparts. The price earnings ratio fell from 23 times earnings to 12 times earnings and is currently half of the average price earning ratio of peers. An important factor is this decline in stock prices reflects lost confidence in the company, not just bad sentiment in the market. In addition, the former problems with WhatsApp, which stopped working for several hours, may give us an environment of potentially extreme negative sentiment on the company's shares. As Gerstner wrote in the letter, it seems that valuation has significantly detached itself from the company's core business. Facebook does not seem to have stopped making money from sales. However, it has clearly seen a slowdown in advertising sales, as could be seen from last quarter's results, in which the company reported its first annual revenue decline. Advertising sales fell from $29.08 billion to $28.82 billion. At the same time, EBITDA fell from $14.35 billion to $10.33 billion. But personally, I firmly believe that Meta has bottomed since November 3rd this year, and the company has corrected some of its past mistakes. I bought the Meta stock on November 3rd this year, and I think the stock will rise and will continue, and that we have set this bottom right now. So who knows? Everything may depend on the cost of the metaverse. With such a seemingly pessimistic sentiment for this company, all eyes may be on the update and further plans for the Metaverse project. A major key piece of information would possibly turn out to be the subsequent costs incurred for this project. However, someone could get the impression that most of the negative comments have been factored into the stock price. But would the stock market say, buy when the blood pours on the streets, be confirmed? So what does Wall Street think of Meta Platform's stock price? According to Market Screener, the company had 55 buy recommendations. The stock went on the upside, most of which are buy recommendations. The average target price is set at approximately $210. And let me show you on this weekly time frame here that at this very moment we are at $117 plus here for the stock, and $210 at target is here. Here we can see that in July 2018, and also here in July 2019. So it's like 12 months, year 18, year 2019 here. Both resistance. Also here, the price went up a little bit above this $210 demand level zone here. So it went down one, twice, and third time around this 210 level here. So now the Wall Street think, according to this market screener, that the Meta Platforms Incorporated should have a target about $210. That's a huge upswing and profit. So I also believe that is fully possible. I still believe in Facebook or Meta stock. I think it will really touch this 210 level. Also, the Wall Street think, according to this market screener, that the price could even reach a level of 466 US dollar. They have the target price up here. So the first target price is here at $210 for the Meta stock incorporated. And then in the future, all the way beyond this previous top at $382, the Meta stock will perhaps even reach levels of 466 US dollar up here. So, as I were mentioning, I still think this is a very good buy opportunity. Let's change to the daily chart. So we can see here on the daily chart that we have a massive gap on the upside, which is very bullish sign. And we have a very strong uptrend so far for about 1.5 weeks. And it looks good. So I got lucky. I went in here on November 4th, the very bottom here, and then just shoots up. And I'm reading about this Meta, and I still believe that they will correct a lot of mistakes they have done, and they have already done that. So I think this is an extremely good buy. So, okay, I hope you liked my analysis, and I would appreciate if you click the subscriber button and the thumbs up for this video so you can support me. I do this all for free, so I would be happy that you would subscribe on my channel. So, okay, take care and see you soon again. Bye for now.